Once upon a time, in a peaceful valley surrounded by green hills, there lived 3 goats, brothers who loved each other deeply. The smallest goat was gentle and clever. The middle goat was calm and thoughtful. And the biggest goat was strong and fearless. Every day they searched for fresh grass. But one season, the land near their home dried up. The grass turned yellow, and hunger slowly crept into their lives. One morning, the goats looked across the river and saw a land full of fresh green grass. But between them and that land stood an old wooden bridge. The bridge looked weak, and beneath it lived a terrifying giant who allowed no one to cross. The goats stood quietly, thinking. Finally, the smallest goat spoke. "Let me go first." The other 2 hesitated, but they trusted his intelligence. With slow steps, the small goat walked onto the bridge. The wood creaked. Suddenly, a loud voice echoed from below. "Who is walking on my bridge?" The small goat did not panic. He replied calmly, "It's only me, but don't eat me now. My bigger brother is coming next. He is much tastier than I am." The giant paused. Greed filled his eyes. "Go on," the giant growled. The small goat crossed safely and reached the green field. Soon after, the middle goat stepped onto the bridge. Again, the giant roared from below. The middle goat said wisely, "Why waste your hunger on me? Wait for my biggest brother. He will satisfy you completely." Once again, the giant waited. The middle goat crossed safely. Now, only the biggest goat remained. He stepped onto the bridge, and the bridge shook under his weight. The giant jumped up onto the bridge, angrier than ever. "This time I will eat you." But the big goat lowered his head, gathered his strength, and charged forward. With one powerful strike, he knocked the giant off the bridge and into the raging river below. The giant was never seen again. The bridge became silent. The danger was gone. The 3 goats reunited on the green land, safe, happy, and free. That day, they learned an important lesson. Strength is powerful, but intelligence and patience can defeat even the greatest danger. And from that day on, the bridge was crossed by many, but never ruled by fear.